for the squirrel gathering for its nest, one for the robin building its cozy rest. Ba, ba, black sheep in the meadow wide, wool as soft as clouds by the riverside. One for the bunny crafting its burrow deep, one for the fox dreaming in its sleep. Ba, ba, black sheep on the mountain steep, climbing to the top where the echoes sleep. One for the eagle soaring in the sky, one for the bear in its cave nearby. Ba, ba, black sheep in the valley low, where the flowers bloom in a vibrant show.